Hello, everybody. Welcome to WP Brand Wrapper. My name is Ken Krell. I am one of the development team of WP Brand Wrapper. I am joined by Super Matt, who is our programmer at WP Brand Wrapper. Matt, say hello to the happy people.
Hi, guys.
We're going to show you exactly why this plugin is going to be a total game changer for the way you interact online, how it will help you in your business, how it will help build your SEO, build your your on-screen performance for Google, and show you exactly how to use it. As a beta tester of WP Brand Wrapper, first I want to say thank you. Matt and I both want to extend our gratitude for you to play with us and test this out. Let us know how you love it. Things that you think are great, things that more importantly that we could improve on. We really do value your opinion, and we need your opinion, which is why you're beta testing for us. Furthermore, we want to hear your success stories because that will be part of our marketing. That'll be part of our social proof and our testimonials. So every single person that is testing this will be asked to give us a true, not fake, a true case study, a true testimonial of how it's worked for you. So let's first show you what this is and why it's so important. On the screen, I have right now a sales page for one of our products. It's called Seminar Digest, which is a really cool product, which allows you to save all sorts of time, access brilliant content from the masters, but not have to listen to everything. We just kind of digest all the cool stuff into bite-sized chunks for people to put into access immediately. Anyway, on this page, we're promoting our inaugural Seminar Digest event, which was a digest of Mindvalley's recent event in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, which I went to. So what we decided to do was send people to Mindvalley's webpage if they wanted to learn more about the event. So on this page, it says, want to learn more about Mindvalley. And when you click to do that, what happens is, if you look right up on top, you'll see that I sent them to mindvalley.com, mindvalleyinsights.com, features art of the startup. So I sent them away from my website. You don't want to do that. When you send them away from your website, you don't get any more Google juice. Let me stop Vishen from talking here. That would be not a good thing. And as affiliate marketers, as any kind of marketer, people do that all the time because they don't know any different. So what happens is, whether you're trying to be helpful or whether you're trying to make money, you send people away from you rather than hosting them in your own home. Now, it's nice when you send, if you're Macy's, sending them to Gimbals, except that Google is looking at how often you're shopping and how long you're shopping at Macy's. So it is a significant issue. Enter the solution. WP Brand Wrapper. Same page wrapped. Here's what we do. We scroll down to that link, that same Visit Mindvalley link that we'll find. Here we go. Click here. And actually, if you look at the bottom of the page where the URL shows, it doesn't show you going to Mindvalley. It shows you're going to actually another page on our site. I will click it, and you will see the difference. It means that you're still on the Boost Your Practice site, but yet you are looking at Mindvalley. You're looking at the same Mindvalley page we showed you just a second ago. And in fact, you'll see Boost Your Practice, Mindvalley up at the top of the screen. So it's a really, really cool thing, because right now, while you're watching Vishen Lakhiani, who's the president of Mindvalley, a totally cool guy, you are at boostyourpractice.com, and you'll see it right here in the address bar. So I am getting the Google juice for people staying on my site while looking at Mindvalley. Now, how do they come back to me? Well, on the header, it will say return to site. And you just click it, and they go right back to the page you were at before, or wherever you tell them to go on your web page. And there it is. That's WP Brand Wrapper in a nutshell. Okay, so let's go ahead and download and install the plugin so we can get right to work. You're already on this page watching the video, so you see the download link right down below this video. So click to download the plugin. And by the way, we don't have the video showing on this page because we're recording it right now. So it will look a little bit different on your screen, but you'll click to download the plugin and save that in your downloads directory, whether you're on a Mac or a PC. That'll be the easiest way to do it. And you can also click for those instructions, although you can watch the video at the same time. Okay, very simple, right? So once it's downloaded on your system, then you're going to go into your WordPress control panel. And Matt's going to take us there right now by the virtue of modern technology and a second tab. And Matt, actually your screen is one step ahead. Let's go to, you see where it says plugins on the left, and you would see add new. So scroll down to add new. What you're going to do in this case is it's not at the WordPress site, it's on your hard drive, it's on your computer. So you would search, you're actually going to go to upload, excuse me, right next to the search. And right there is where it says upload. Click upload. And then you're going to choose the file, just like Matt is doing. I was going to say you're using your hula hands, but you're on your mouse, Matt. And you'll just search for that on your computer. Where'd you save it? You're looking for WPBrandWrapper.zip right there. Click it. Either double click it or just click and then hit press open. There you go. And then install now. Dum, da, da, dum. And in seconds, through the marvels of modern technology, your plugin is being sent directly to your WordPress installation. Here it is. Now, all you're going to do is you're going to activate the plugin. You've got an option to activate. Click activate. Dum, da, da, dum, da, dum. And again, in seconds, it will be activated. And guess what? You're done. Your plugin is good and ready to go. You'll see it right now in 1 second. Here we go. And if you scroll down, Matt, you can show everybody all the way down to the bottom. It says plugin activated right there. And if you scroll down, you'll see it further on down the line as WP Brand Wrapper, and there it is right there. Okay, so so that's the installation. Very, very simple. We'll get into using it right about now. So let's go ahead and actually use this incredibly terrific plugin. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to actually design our header, the return to site header. And what we've done already for us is we created a header that says return home. Now, you didn't see that before. So you're seeing it right now. We're going to upload that into our media directory inside of WordPress. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create your own header, take the same header you currently have, and add a return home element to it. Or you could do what we did, another one, which says return to site. Either one, take your pick. We'll use return home. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead into your media library, and we're going to add new, very simple, just like this. And we will upload it. Plain and simple. You'll upload it. Okay, select files if you've not done this before, and you can drag or drop it in, or you can just go into your file directory. Okay, here we go. So I'll just go ahead and I found the file. Click, there it is. There it is. Return home. Hit open, and then what's going to happen is it's already being loaded up into WordPress, and it's going to crunch, and now we're ready to go. So I can just hit. There it is. There's edit, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to just get the URL for that particular file. Okay, and so here it is right here. And we're just going to copy this, and I'm just going to put it real quickly into a text file just so that I have it to put in later on. Okay, so that's it. That's all you have to do. Now, to go ahead and actually use WP Brand Wrapper, we're going to create a new page. And that's going to be our wrapping page. Let's call it our wrapping paper, if you will. Really simple. And Matt, if I'm doing this wrong, you can tell me. But we're going to call this, you can kind of call it anything you want. But we're going to call it wrap. I'm going to call it wrap. And we're going to, what I decided that we'll wrap is we'll actually wrap something that you've already seen before. On our members page, we were sending you to a couple of affiliate offers. So we're going to wrap one of those links. And I'll show you that in just a second. So we're going to wrap Bug-Free Mind. And that's the offer that you'll see on that page. Right now, you go straight to the Bug-Free Mind site. But in a second, you're going to see that we can actually keep people on our site while we still send them to Andy Shaw's terrific joint venture opportunity. You see over here on so I gave it a name. And you see over here on the bar over here, you see a bunch of different things. Well, right over here, you see this beautiful blue box that looks like it's got a feather coming out of it. That's actually the rocket ship coming out. That's our Brand Wrapper logo, and you'll even see if you hover on it, it says WP Brand Wrapper. Click on that. Matt designed this, and you're going to answer a couple questions. So the web page we want to wrap, this is the actual destination we want to send them to, right, Matt?
Yes, it is.
Okay, that's good. Thank you very much.
We're going to put the URL of Bug-Free Mind.
Right, a Bug-Free Mind. So I saved this already. That was my destination. That was my affiliate link. I'm going to copy that, and I'm just going to paste it. Whoops. I'm going to paste it right in. There we go. That's right there. Is my affiliate link and everything. Okay. Hit OK. Boom. Done. Next, this is the page to go back to. Where do we want them to go back to? Well, where we took them from originally, and that was our members page. So we're going to go straight back to the members page. Okay, so now you're going to be asked to put in a zoom value. It's going to look a little bit different than what's on the screen. It's going to actually allow you to zoom at 100% all the way down to whatever, and that's going to relate to how the actual website appears on your screen. So disregard where it says zoom value 1 equals 100%. The zoom value is going to be the actual percentage you want it to appear. So 100% will be the default, and that's going to give you full size viewing of the destination page. The only reason why we're giving you a zoom ability is because if it doesn't appear just right, you may need to actually adjust it based upon what their theme is or something. So you may need to drop it to 90% or so. So we just give you that option so that we can pretty much guarantee that whatever you're going to be wrapping will appear properly. So we're going to leave it. This will actually want to say 100, and that will be the default. Okay. Next, it says, what image do you display on the top? Now, Matt has a default in here already, and that'll be our logo, but we don't want us on your page. So just like we did a minute ago, we uploaded this file, this image you're seeing right over here, right, the return home. I just copied it, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it right in there. Hit OK. And then a background color for the image. So if your image doesn't go all the way across your screen, that will allow you to put a background behind it so that there's something there. We will also are planning to actually, if you have a background image that follows a particular theme to your header, we'll see if we can give you a background image slice too that you can just use that piece as well, like Optimized Press does. So that's on our plan. Whether we get it done in this current version or not remains to be seen. So I'm going to leave this as it is. That's how it defaulted. Hit OK. So now the shortcode has all been created, and all we need to do is one more fundamental thing, and that is change your default template for this to a blank page. Right, Matt?
Correct.
Okay, and that blank page means that nothing else will show on the page except where we're sending them to and the new header that we created. Now, depending upon your theme, the template may have a different name to it, but what you want is a blank page. Let me hit Update. And now we're saving it. And as soon as it's saved, we will go directly there to show you the magic. Let's go ahead and view the page. And there's a bug-free mind loading up. BoostYourPractice.com. There's the return home. And there's Andy Shaw's affiliate page, just like the original. But it's within our site. It's at BoostYourPractice.com. And all we need to do now is hit return home, and we're going to go right back to the Brand Wrapper downloads. Now, by the way, since we did not change the link on this page, if we click right here, you'll see what happens. We're going to oneshoppingcart.com affiliate link. We're on this is before. Okay, so this is before we actually changed the link on that page. So we took them away from us. Now all we need to do is go into we'll edit this page. This was the bug-free launch, and we'll put in the right link. Okay, so here's the hyperlink for the bug-free launch, and now what we're going to do is we'll go to the hyperlink, and we can go right ahead and instead of putting that other URL in there, we're going to go ahead and put our own bug-free mind wrap right there, and I'll just hit Update. And we're going to save it by hitting Insert. And then we're going to save and close. Save. There we go. And then we will go ahead and we'll view the page, just to prove how well it works. Okay, so here we go. We'll scroll down to that link. Here's the bug-free launch. And now you'll see we're still on our page, on our site. There's our header, the return home header. And now there's Andy Shaw's page right there to become an affiliate. So while you sign up to be an affiliate for this really cool launch, it's a great product. It really is. You are on our site still. We haven't sent you away. And when you're done, just return home. Boom. WP Brand Wrapper to the rescue. So this is exactly how you put it together. Very simple process. As a beta tester, we really want to hear about your experience, about how easy it is to use. Again, how you think we can make it better, how we can improve it. Most important to us. I mean, saying it's good is nice, and it's great for testimonial, but really, we want to make it even better and better and better, make it easier for you. A couple things to bear in mind, things that you cannot wrap. You cannot wrap Amazon. Amazon's not going to work in an iframe. Be aware of. YouTube, I think, is the other one that you don't wrap the YouTube site. Actually, you can embed a YouTube video on your site, which would be how you keep them on your site anyway. So that basically covers it. We are going to give you some affiliate links that you are welcome to use, like this Bug-Free Mind, so that way we are helping you with making some money while you test. You're not under any obligation to use any of these, of course. So that's it. Have fun with it. Drop us a line, support@boostyourpractice.com, and we will look forward to your feedback. Thank you again, and enjoy wrapping yourself to fame and fortune. Oh, one other thing, you're not going to want to wrap absolutely everything. Google's going to want to see some external links, some valuable external links. So as we present the brand wrapper to you, I want to make sure that you are actually using the right strategies. We will be having 2 training webinars that Gina Gowdy-Graves and I will be putting together so that we can talk about wrapping strategies and get your feedback as well. So stay tuned for that information. Also, thank you again. We'll see you in Wrapperland.